Hi guys, my name is Caitlin. I'm from grassfedgirl.com and I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and I am 39 and a half weeks pregnant. So this video is about what I'm taking to the hospital, my natural hospital bag, my holistic hospital bag, if you will. So I have a midwife and a doula and I'm supposed to go to the hospital whenever I start labor. So this is the stuff I will bring. I have it all here with me. So we're gonna go through it and hopefully it helps you out. You know, this will be any hospital trip, I guess, but especially for baby and all the things. I've done a lot of research and I've watched a lot of videos. So, and I'm kind of a minimalist. So we'll be going through all of that in this video and I hope it helps you. All right, so first things first, I've got my essential oils. So it's good to have a little bag for them because you don't want them to get lost or whatever. So I have Citrus Fresh, Pan Away, that's kind of a good one for sore muscles. Then Stress Away, that's a really good one for labor. Copaiba, that's a really good one for inflammation. Frankincense, that's good for your immune system. And remember, that's the one they brought to baby Jesus. So thyme is really good for supporting your immune system. Myrrh, also one they brought to baby Jesus, so can't be bad, right? Good for your immune system also. Gentle Baby. So I figured if this one and this one is Seedlings Calm, so this is Gentle Baby and Seedlings Calm. So these will both calm down the baby. So I thought, and they're also already pre-diluted, so you can put them on the baby's feet. And you don't have to worry about getting a carrier oil, which means like olive oil or something like that. So I'm going to take these two just in case the baby's, you know, screaming or something in the nighttime. White Angelica, you know, I was told you can bring essential oils because they will help you with your mood and everything during labor. All right, so I got all those. And if you have any questions about essential oils, I have an essential oils playlist down below or in my playlist. So you can always ask me a question about essential oils anytime. I've been using them a really long time, and these are the best ones on the market for sure, the Young Living. So I've got my diffuser here. So this one, I didn't plug it in, but it has a bunch of different light settings. And so I was told if you want to bring your lights low, that will help you create like a calming mood in the room. So I definitely want to create a calming mood in the room. So I've got that. Then also on the electronics, I have my Hatch. This is my Hatch baby. This makes like ocean sounds. So I thought if I don't want to fool with of course I'll have my phone, but I didn't really want to fool with another speaker. I have a little Bose speaker, but I'm not going to bring that, I don't think. This also makes light, so if I have those two, I'll have maybe a nice light that is calming. So this one is good too. It's the Hatch. This is really for the baby, but I think it'll be good in the room, and it makes like ocean sounds and nature sounds and stuff like that. So this is my birth plan. I printed out 4 birth plans for anybody who wants one. So I've got that in here. And I signed it just in case. My doula said bring this in case because she needs something that says what I want. So that was good advice. I've got my little charger thing here. This is an old one. I think it's Belkin brand. I'm sure you can find that. I can put that in my Amazon shop. This is an old one. I'm sure you can find an updated version, but this one still works really good. So apparently it's hard to find outlets, or the outlets are far from the bed and stuff like that. So I brought white willow bark. White willow bark is a pain reliever. That's what aspirin is made out of. I'm not totally sure it's safe for breastfeeding or labor, but I will double check that. But it is more natural version. I don't take you know, Tylenol and stuff like that. I mean, unless I'm dying or something. Okay, here's my Redmond. This is my electrolyte. So I need to take it out of here, but this is My favorite electrolyte, you can sort of see it through there. So this is my electrolyte drink. I will be taking a case of water too, so I can just dump this into my water and then just shake it. I'll probably take that a couple times a day. I brought my one of my photo things that holds my camera, because sometimes, you know, I'm my biggest critic, so I want to have the best pictures of me, and sometimes people just can't do it. So the other people that I'm gonna have there, I brought a little bag for dirty clothes or whatever. You gotta have a brush, so get a brush. I read that you're supposed to bring hair ties, so I got extra hair ties. I've got a clean mask, just in case. This is a cotton mask. This one's pretty comfortable. I don't think I'm gonna have to wear it too much, but and they are gonna give me a test when I go in there. So these are pads in case you have drainage. So I am, of course, going to hopefully breastfeed. They do have birth tubs. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use them. I'm going to a regular hospital, but they have a limited number of birth tubs, so it's kind of first come, first serve. And I brought some kind of swimming shorts just in case, a workout bra too, because they said that might be what you want to wear in, you know, some of it's just your mood. You don't know what you're going to want to wear. This is like a nursing top that you might want to wear underneath something, or just, I brought one t-shirt. It says mom on it. Somebody got me that shirt. It's like Good Life. It's really cute. So one t-shirt in case. I have some snacks. Now these are my Paleo Valley. I have a discount link down below. I love these. And I brought those. They're shelf stable. And I got a couple other jerkies just in case. You're not supposed to eat, I think you're only supposed to have liquid, but they said it just depends, and you may be able to eat something. It just depends on how long you're there and all that. A 6-foot cord. Really important to have your 6-foot cord or longer, because this is really important to reach around the bed, because maybe your outlets are behind you. This is a haka. I got the haka for free. They sent me one. So, I mean, it's not very expensive anyway, but you can get one of those in my Amazon shop. And I watched one video on it. So hopefully if I need this, I'll have it. I do get a breast pump, but with the way my insurance works, you can't get it till after the baby is due. So in a few days I can order it. Then I got my mask. This is a Bucky mask, but I always have masks because this is a sleeping mask, because I hate light at night and I really have to have a mask. So this is my favorite lotion, Seedlings Baby Lotion. This is also from Young Living, and I have an Young Living shop down below in my essential oils store. So I bring this with me everywhere because a lot of lotions have parabens, phthalates. They're made from petroleum. They're just fragrance is gross. So I really don't want them to putting anything on my baby that I don't approve of. So I brought some wipes. These could be used, as makeup. These are non-toxic, of course. No, they don't have any fragrance or anything, and they're compostable. I'm not sure if you can flush them, so don't flush them, but anyway, these can be used as makeup wipes, if you're crying or whatever. Anything, you can kind of freshen up. So I'm definitely taking those. And I have another thing for the baby. And I brought a brand new toothbrush, just in case. Because I don't want to. And I brought 3 socks. So usually I wear my husband's socks. So these are his socks. These are mine. These have corgis on them. I love corgis, if you didn't know. But just in case you want to walk around the room or you want to walk around the hall, and I just want to have plenty of socks. This is my friend from Balance Bites. Diane gave me this cup. So I want to have my own cup just in case. I love Yetis, and they have, my friend Diane has Spice Company. Anyway, so I'm going to have this with ice and, maybe, I don't know. Sometimes you want ice in the hospital, I've heard. So this will be my cup, and then I brought this kind of reusable straw just in case. Okay, so I am I am more on the modest side, so I brought these kind of modest nightgowns. So I have 2 of them. So this one is in my Amazon shop, and then this one I got from, I already had this one. So these 2, because I thought maybe if one gets messed up, if I'm in labor, I might need 2. This is my cover for breastfeeding. I don't know if, you're gonna need that, but just in case, it's a good thing to have. Then I have, my sister gave me this robe. It's just a robe that she had. I didn't want to buy anything because I really don't use robes at home, but I thought if you end up walking out in the hallway, it's kind of like a sweatshirt robe thing. So if I did need to walk from one place to another or something like that, I have my flip-flops. These are just some flip-flops. They're just plain old flip-flops, but I thought if I need to, walk to the bathroom or something where you don't want to get your feet dirty. And then I have a going home outfit. So this is actually brand new. It's from Stitch Fix. I like Stitch Fix because they shop for me and then they just send it to me. So I have a link for that down below. I love Stitch Fix. So this, and then I have a little shirt to go with it. This is kind of tight now, but I'm hoping that it will fit me. So this has the same colors in it. So this will be my going home outfit. I've read that you want to have something that's not clingy. So this is a skirt. I heard you don't really want to put on jeans or something clingy after. It's important to bring bras. I have some breastfeeding bras with me. And yeah, so let me see. I have another bag over here. That's my stuff. And then I'll show you, I'm bringing a couple things for the baby. So this is a bag that I got. It's a Skip Hop bag. So that's a really popular brand. I think this is my husband's cord. So I'm bringing a cord for my husband too. So that's his stuff over there. And this is really neat. It has like a cord so you can put it on your hand, and really you would only need this if you wanted to just take this only and have your wipes and your diapers and everything in here. All right, so I'm bringing my big camera. This is my Nikon. And that's just in case, I really want a good camera to set up and take a good picture of the baby. Then I have the baby outfits. So I have a couple baby outfits and I wanted to keep them clean. So I have a little blankie, wrap him in when we come home. So I am having a boy, hopefully. I mean, that's what they tell me. And a little hat. Whoop. And I have these little things, they're like almost like little dresses. How cute is that? And then this is another little outfit. So that with the little shirt. I don't know, what you're gonna feel like putting him in. So I just brought a couple things. And some little socks. Oh my gosh, how cute. I'm getting excited now. Okay, and then I brought, it's very hot right now. I mean, it's over 90 degrees. So I don't know. I brought some shorts and a little top that goes with that. So cute. Has a little sailboat. And this is a sleeper. I brought 2 more sleepers. So this one has monkey feet. Look at the feet. Oh my goodness. And I have my full Amazon shop for the baby down in the description box. Everything that I got for the baby is down there in the Amazon shop. Like, people gave me a lot of stuff. A lot of the stuff, look at those little feet. This is like a bear outfit. And then a lot of people gave me stuff, but also my sister gave me a lot because she has 2 small children that are boys. So I got another one of those. So I have about 6 things to choose from for the baby. Maybe that's too much, but 5 or 6 outfits for the baby. Okay, and then let's see what else is in here. Oh, I got a little sign. So this is one of those signs where you put the letters on. And, oh, so I don't know. Okay, All right, this is one of those little signs where you have the letters. So I put some of the letters on already, just in case. But I have extra letters in here. So that's just like to put, you know, maybe in a photo. We'll see. And yeah, I think that's, let's see if there's anything out here. Yeah, that's it. So this is a big diaper bag. So I just thought I would pack that for the baby stuff. And I brought this, because they said you can be on liquid, so I brought this Paleo Valley bone broth. And you could just mix it with hot water. So I thought that would be good. So one more thing I want to show you guys. A few more things. This is my nursing pillow. My sister gave me this because she had it and I bought a new cover. But this is an organic nursing pillow and it's very expensive. It's in my Amazon shop. What do you expect? But anyway, this is kind of a little more fancy because most of them are filled with synthetic, you know, polyester stuff. And this one is wool, I think, on the inside. So that is in my Amazon shop if you want to see which one. I think it's about $120, something like that. So this is just a cover that I got. And so I'm excited to take this. People said bring your own pillow, but I'm just overwhelmed by that. I'm just gonna take this, and then if I wanna use it for me or for the baby or whatever, and they say it's helpful for when you start nursing because, you know, it helps you get the proper form and stuff. I brought this little blankie. It's really cute. My aunt made it. So I thought I could wrap him up in that for a picture. And this is my cosmetic bag. I love these kinds of bags because you can, it's not just cosmetics, it's, you know, it's a hanging bag for the bathroom. So it has all your stuff in it. This is in my Amazon shop. I love this so much. So I've got everything in here. This is my carrier oil. So if you want to use an essential oil on a larger portion of your body or dilute it, because some of them are very hot. So you need you need a carrier oil. I have some soap. I also have a bar of soap because I don't like hand sanitizer. So I'll just put a nice Dr. Bonner's, this is Dr. Bonner's bar of soap next to the sink. So then I have my Young Living shampoo and conditioner. I love that so much. And then I have a bunch more hair ties and also earplugs. Really important to have your earplugs. I am an earplug junkie. I cannot sleep without earplugs. And I just love how this hangs up so you have everything you need all in one spot and you can reach it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a bag for my husband packed, but basically it's just pajamas and, you know, change of clothes and a cord for his phone. So I don't want either one of us to not have our phones charged. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. You know, that's my natural, holistic, healthy nursery bag. So I hope that that's helpful in case you're going to the hospital anytime soon and having your baby. We will be going, I'm doing hypnobirthing. I have a doula, like I said, I have a midwife. I'm going to be going to the hospital just because I'm a little more high risk because I'm over 35. And so there's some considerations there why I didn't want to have a home birth. But if I was younger, I surely would have, and I would have done all that stuff, but it's a little different now. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. I really appreciate you watching, and we will see you next time. If you have any questions about the stuff I've showed, it's all down in the description box in my Amazon shop or on my Amazon baby registry or in my essential oils. So please subscribe, like my channel, and share this video with a friend. Also, you know, I will be hopefully eating carnivore in the hospital, so that's why they said my husband can go out and get me food and stuff, so I will be doing that. I'm also doing a meal train, which is an app that you can share with your friends and family, so hopefully people will be bringing food to the house once we get home. And there's our favorite brisket place is next to the hospital, so we can go there too. So anyway, I hope this is helpful. Just leave a comment down below, share with a friend, like this video. Really appreciate you watching. See you next time. Bye bye.